Now we are going to see how to select text in Microsoft Word. Before you edit text, you must first select it, and to do that there are various ways of doing it. You can click, hold and drag to select a character, or we double click on a word to select that word. I happens to be a character and a word as well. Now we can click, hold and drag to select an entire length of text, sentence or a paragraph. We can triple click to select a paragraph of text, and then we can press the control button and click on the sentence to select the entire sentence. Very good. Now we can move the blinking cursor by pressing the navigation keys on the keyboard, up, down, left or right. Now pressing the backspace key deletes text character by character from right to the left. But pressing the delete key deletes all the text towards the right of the blinking cursor, character by character. Very good. Now we can select text and press delete, and it deletes the text. Good. To align text, we select the text, and from the paragraph group we click on the alignment button we intend. There is the left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and the justify text alignment. We can select all the text in a document using the select all button from the editing group of the home ribbon, and then we can click on justify. It is a professional practice to have the final document justified